Hello and welcome to The Breakfast Buzz, the only news show that serves up delicious food and positive news. My name is Haley and I'm excited to get you ready for your day. Here's our top story. Do you think an African elephant is heavy? Try 12 of them. According to CNN, paleontologists in Argentina have uncovered the remains of a 98 million year old dinosaur. Researchers believe the fossil to be that of a sauropod, the largest land animal to have ever lived on Earth. Characterized by long necks and tails, sauropods could be up to 122 feet long, or about 1/3 of a football field. The 24 tail vertebrae found at this site suggests this dinosaur is related to other findings of titanosaurs, which have been believed to reach weights over 40 tons. That's nearly 6.5 times the weight of a T-Rex. Archaeologists expect to find more remains on future trips to this area, which will hopefully give more insight into just how big these animals were. Let's start on our breakfast rolls. To make our crescent roll breakfast, it's super easy. Just throw all of the ingredients into a bowl, including some of that freshly chopped parsley, and then you mix it all together and get out your crescent roll dough. Scoop just a little filling into each triangle and roll it up like you normally would, and that's it. Has time at home left you anxious to plan your next vacation? How does a Disney cruise sound? CNBC reports that Disney Cruises has announced 2 new stops to their repertoire, Antarctica and the Galapagos Islands. Scheduled to depart this year, the 12-day Antarctica cruise begins in Argentina and makes its way to the edge of South America before embarking for the southernmost continent. Kayaking, hiking, and penguin spotting are just a few of the activities planned for this trip. Disney movies on board and photography classes will also be available on the ship. For those wanting a warmer trek, the 9-day expedition cruise to the Galapagos Islands is for you. Scheduled to begin in February 2022, this adventure contains island excursions like snorkeling and hiking. Both cruise trips cost about $12,000, but those who book by April 11th can get a discount of nearly 50% off. Check out adventuresbydisney.com for more information. Now these are going to go into the oven at 375 for about 12 to 15 minutes. Are you Super Bowl ready? Sarah Thomas is. The Associated Press reports that Sarah Thomas will be the first female to officiate a Super Bowl game. Announced Tuesday by the NFL, Thomas will end her 6th season with the league by making history on Sunday, February 7th. The combined 7-person game crew has 88 years of experience in the NFL and will be headed by referee Carl Cheffers. The Super Bowl will be broadcast from Raymond James Stadium in Tampa, Florida on February 7th with a halftime performance from The Weeknd. One more round of games this weekend will determine the championship match teams. The Green Bay Packers will face the Tampa Bay Buccaneers for the NFC title, and the Buffalo Bills will play the Kansas City Chiefs for the AFC title. This breakfast would actually be perfect for the Super Bowl, so let's finish it off. Look at those beauties. Let's cut into one. Oh, beautiful. Look at how tasty that is. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for starting your day with me again on the Breakfast Buzz. Have a great rest of your day.